Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get VIP on Dress to Impress. So the way that I'm telling you right now is to honestly just join a lot of giveaways that are in the Dress to Impress servers. I'm pretty sure there's a lot. I do not recommend you to ask people for VIP because I know not a lot of people will just give it away when you ask. And don't be fooled by people who are gonna give it to you by I don't know, you have to find them and stuff like that. But sometimes they are legit, so just be careful on the giveaways. It's not bad if they're giving away VIP straight away in the game, like the game pass, but it is a little bit more, I don't know, sus if they try to have like a Robux giveaway. But you can also join the Robux giveaways as well. And that's what I can basically recommend to you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.